Good evening, everybody. So this is unboxing of my parcel from Tokopedia. So do you know I just I have problem with my laptop. It is acer aspire. I don't know whatever is that. And my laptop is acer for 4736z's. So the problem is on the main board. So I don't know what it was, because I very rarely I use that laptop, so that's now having problem. And after I brought it to the service centers, they told it's difficult to fix. Look like some what is that, the IC problem like that. So rather than waiting for service for a long time, so I decide to purchase new one. Not new means normal board of this laptop. So here it is. This is unboxing video. It's to become replacement video also, and I'm going to try to mount this into the case of the laptop to try to use this one. And after it's fixed, I just need to repair the old one, what I have. So let's see what is inside, and let's check after that. I just need to check it whether it is normal, working good or no. So let's see. Here it is. This is from Bandung. You know Bandung. Bandung is called as Kota.
East Java.
East Java? Bandung is East Java?
Yeah.
West Java?
West.
Are you dreaming? Are you dreaming? East Java is Jawa Timur.
Oh,
Are you dreaming?
West Java.
So Bandung Kota Hujan. Bandung is Kota Hujan. Kota Kembang, right? Bandung is Kota Kembang.
Bogor Kota Kembang.
No, Bogor is Kota Hujan. Huh?
Bandung Kota
Kota Kembang. Bogor is Kota Hujan. I don't know, whatever that is. So here it is. I need to check it on. Okay, this is the board. But okay, it look like it seems normal. I don't know what oh,
New or second?
it's very different. It's very different.
New or
Mounting,
second?
it's second hand. The mounting is different. It's not like mine, like what I have. So let's see where is actually. This is also having one problem. I don't know where it is. So it is surface one also. Oh, this one, replacement of this one. See, same problem. This is called as here actually it is neck token here. Neck token that working with the processor and manage the power to the processor. So mine also having problem in this side, I think, because I've seen that surface people that try to repair this one, but it looks like it's not working. So let me now check with power. It's look like little bit dirty also. Oh, different. Mine is the IC power is not enough. Mine is the IC power is this way, in this side. Let me check it. Make it on. Okay, turn it on. Wow, what is this? So here is my spare part. Oh, everything is open. Everything is open. I have to remove this. Where is my laptop charger? Hey, where is my laptop charger actually? Oh, it's not here. It's not here. Oh, this is my laptop. This is the broken one. Okay, this is the charger. This one is the charger. Okay, this one is the laptop. Come on, cameraman. Come on. Oh, here. It's to be like this. Whether it is on? Check. Yes, it's on. Where do I have to put? Here. It's on. You see?
Yes. Oh,
It's on. Okay, cut it. What do you think? Do we need to replace it now? Do we need to replace it now? Yes, no, yes, no? Yes
yes,
or no?
yes, yes.
But I need to replace the processor because I want to use this Core 2 Duo processor rather than this one dual core processor that the seller told me the processor is dual core. I want to replace it. Are you agree? Are you agree with me?
Yeah.
Yeah. Ah, here it is. Oh my god, my tool is gone. See, I have two batteries for the same laptop. Here are the batteries. I need to fix this one
Brush.
also. No, this is the camera brush. I just need this one. Okay, let's do it. Boom. Just need this. No, I need another one. Come here. I have another tool here. Come here. Ah. This is my secret box. No, not secret anymore. Anyway, you've seen it in my video. And I need my special specs. So I'm going to do this here. I'm going to the replacement here only. This glass is disturbing, this mobile is disturbing, this book disturbing, this one also disturbing. First things I need to do is come closer, cameraman. You are camera wife. Okay, let me clean this first before I place it inside my what's that? My laptop case. So hope I can use this for tomorrow. Okay. Oh, here also they replaced the CMOS battery or whatever. I just need this one working to my laptop. But I need light, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, afterwards we can make this light closer, right? No, let me do it. Let me do it. Oh, it's very heavy.
Oh,
Oh. Oops! Stop! Don't move! Don't move! Move!
huh?
It's not exactly full light. So let's move this here. Here. Okay, let's open it from the secret box. Oh my god, this is my laptop. Actually, I requested for extra screw from the seller, but look like the seller not send any screw here. Okay, no problem. No problem. Open the secret box. Where it's it? Oh, here. I need the screwdriver number this one, I think. First, let's open that hard drive. You know, I have SSD here inside this. This is a nice laptop. It's almost 10 years with me. This is SSD Kingston SSD. So I need to open this one. This one is for Wi-Fi card. Here is Wi-Fi card. So let's put it there. Just need to take this one. I need to open this one for memory. Okay, I got it. So I have to remove this. No need specs, I think. Okay, this is the Wi-Fi cable. Okay, so I'm going to put it over there. Next is oh, I'm going to open this one. This is okay, actually it look like I lost my this board, this laptop case screw. Almost how many, I have no idea, but look like 2 3 4 5 screw I lost it. So this is to be, this one is to be opened. Oh, this is long screw, and this one also long screw, and this one is short screw. This is long or short? Come on, baby. It's not working. Oh, here's to be short screw, not long screw. So this is inside one, like that. Okay, and here is to be long screw. I don't know how to spell it. So here also, yeah, I got it. Long screw. Here also long screw. Yes, I got it. Here short screw, I think short one. Yes, I got it, short one. And here, sorry, baby. Okay, 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 okay. Oh, no screw over here. Okay, I got it. I have to remove this one also. Okay, now remove the DVD and now turn it over like this, like this, like this, like this, slowly. Oh, sorry. Oh, slowly, 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 because it's very difficult actually to lift this. Do you know why? Why? Because then I need this tool. I need this one. I got it. Now I need to just open the this one, LCD. No. This one. This is for camera. This one for LCD. Why I'm using this long screwdriver over here? It's not needed actually. I can use short one. So I need to remove this one. This is keyboard. Okay. I need to take this one cable. This cable. Okay. Then take this one. Speaker. Now I need to open the LCD. I got it. Oh. Okay. Just forgot this one. Okay. This one. Now I'm checking whether the board is really on or no. Yes, let me check it first. Okay, I want first, I will put this, first. So the memory, my memory is connected, not using that seller's memory. It's 1 GB memory bonus, the DDR3. So I have to connect this, let's see on the screen what will happen. Let's see. Okay, like that, just like that, just on it, coming on. Oh, it's coming. What is the processor? 4736 Intel Core 2 Duo. Oh really? Core 2 Duo? Intel Core 2 Duo C6500 2.1 is that. We no need to replace the processor. I need to clean the the fan first. Here. Really? Now we will put the board into the case. Oh, it looks like no broken thing here. Let's put it. Hope there will be normal, no any problem. It will be, oh sorry, it's how it will be, like this. Yes, like this. It will be like this. Woohoo, it's coming, it's coming. It's not coming, not coming, you know, it's not coming but coming. You know, kambing is a goat here. I have to make sure this one is here, then here, then I have to put this here. No, where is it? Here. Can you see? Okay, let's put this one. Boom! The cover is back. It's locked now, and this one for the
battery low.
Okay, I put the screen here. Oops, you stay there, you stay there, you stay there. I'll pull this, I'll pull. Yes, the storage is connected. Keyboard. Try to connect the keyboard. Too many mosquito. It's connected now. Power on. Whether the system will on or not. Oh, it's coming. Windows on. 2020, see. So need to put everything back. No, not that. Yeah, close it. Okay, it's back. Close it. The Wi-Fi card is not compatible. What to do? Remaining is okay, but the only thing is the Wi-Fi card is not compatible. Means maybe I need just put something here. Okay, let's put the screwdriver. Here, 1, 2, it's here, 3, 4, X is here, and now I need to put this one. This one, I don't know what to do. This one, we need something to lock. Oh, I got an idea, you know. What is this? This one is enough, right? Oh, sorry. This one is enough, right? Let we put like this, honey. You can put like this, right? Yes. It's a great idea. It's a great idea, honey. And put this one, the memory cover. I have two batteries over here. This is the old one, the original one. This is what is that? Second one. We can see it's KW. So let's put this one. Oh, it's coming. And now let's put it on. What will happen? Sim salabim abracadabra. Okay, the work is done. You see, the laptop is ready now.